Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off shake for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on my information authorizations. Then you come here to next window, and you just click here on system permissions. Then you come to next window here, and you just click here on storage. Then you come to storage window, you just go down here. Then you come here to check, and this window show for you, and you click here on this mark or this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's mean check it's on off now for storage. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.